What's up, guys? I'm just here reminiscing about our buddy Cato, who left us, by the way, and moved to Alaska or something. He used to be here in Atlanta. But when he was here in 22, we built Boogie Nights with him, went to SEMA in 22 in the new vintage booth, and ended up on the cover of a magazine. How awesome is that? A little throwback Thursday. Rockford painted the panels, his first time doing any kind of striping, which is awesome for that young guy. The panel work, where the panel stopped, that idea just, Rockford, man, that's great. What was the inspiration? Just anything? It just came to you?
70s Ford on a Chevrolet.
The truck is beautiful and the metal is perfect. But man, that graphics, somebody came over. Speaking of Rockford, we are doing another collab with him for SEMA 25, Spirit of 76. It's gonna be awesome. Wait, Amanda brings it in all crazy right now. Like that. Spirit of 76, it's gonna be awesome. That's another build we have with Rockford again, a square body again for SEMA 25 again. So we're probably gonna kill that one too. We'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for throwing back with us.